Hey everyone, I wanted to share some details about this particular exhaust setup that I've gone after for my B7 2-liter FSI. What we're looking at here is the JHM Motorsport high flow cat and wide downpipe that's specifically designed to mate up with an S4 OEM B7 exhaust system. I've got the quad tip right here. When I was searching around on the internet for some more details about how this setup would work, I saw a few pictures, but not with this exact configuration, even though it's talked about quite a bit. Usually you've got the B6 OEM S4 in the back, or Fast Intentions single exhaust system or something like that, but not this exact one. So I've got it laid out here for you right next to the car. You can see it for proportion, and I just wanted to share some details about it with you. So this is a brand new piece straight from JHM. This is the 3-inch high flow cat. On the turbo side here, they market it as a 3-inch, and I believe it is if you look at the internal diameter. Right on the outside where it's going to mate up with the turbo, it's actually a little closer to about 3 1/4, but the inside looks as marketed. On the other side here, that's going to be mating up to the downpipe. We're actually closer to about 2 3/4, but a really nice looking piece. Mounts up like so, kind of like that. It's going to look really good. And if we take the measurement on the other side, it is essentially the same as what I just got on the downpipe side of the cat, at about 2 3/4. And one thing that I thought was interesting was I wasn't quite sure why would they need to put a flex portion in the pipe, but until I actually put it up next to the S4 system, well, I got my answer. So slide on as so, give it a little pull, and she goes. Perfect. And to give you the measurements on that as well, we've got, and this should be the 2.5 system, but on the outside here, on the downpipe, we've got about 2 and a touch over, right around a half, which is perfect. And on the S4 side, we've got just under. So that's why the fitment's so good. Obviously, you're going to put clamps on there, but it's really good. And uses all the existing hanger systems that the A4 base model is going to use as well. And normally you wouldn't have a cut here. I got this system for free, so beggars can't be choosers, and we'll take care of that later. But that is the setup.